Welcome to Guess What? We'll ask some questions to the people, and they will answer them and will win the award. Let's start with Nancy. Hi Nancy. Welcome. How are you?
Hi. I am so glad to be with you. Thank you.
You know the format of our program. I will ask 3 questions to you, and you will try to give the right answer to win the award. If you answer 2 correctly, you will win $10. If you answer 3 correctly, you will win the game and get $100.
Yes, I know. Let's start.
First question, this is an animal. It has got a long tail. It is reptile. It can swim. It moves so fast. It is carnivore. Guess what?
I think it is crocodile.
Congratulations. It is true.
Yeah.
Second question, an animal which has got long ears. It can jump. It is herbivore. It likes eating carrots. It has long teeth. Guessed what?
It is rabbit.
Great. It is true.
Yes.
Third and the last question. An animal which has 4 legs. We drink its milk and eat its meat. It's domestic. It's herbivore. Guess what?
Of course it is cow.
Congrats. You win $100.
Thanks.